What? What is this? Nagpa-practice ka rin ba? Like Yana? Sa mga questions mo? What?
I'm serious, eh. Just tell me the truth. May kinalaman ka ba sa pagkamatay ni Zach?
Wala! Wala! Liv! Oh my God! I'm your sister!
Okay, last two. One, last one.
Oh my gosh, Liv! I can't.
Teka.
Oh my gosh. Such a lifesaver.
Oo, hindi naman kita mabayaan.
Thank you.
Naman.
Thank you.
Okay ka?
Yeah.
Okay. Bakit?
Hindi, wala lang. Naliw lang ako sa inyo. Bira kasi sa half-siblings ang close na close eh. Especially babae.
Hey, that's so sexist.
Alam mo, it doesn't really matter kung full or half or quarter. You know what's important is best friends kami. Diba? Yeah.
Ba ako?
So why do you have the same body oil?
I don't know. Maybe someone else bought that. I don't know. Maybe nagkapareho lang kami. Hindi ko alam. Maybe it's someone else's Liv. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Bakit? Para sabihin mo sa mga polis?
What?
Ano? Magbintihan mo ko?
Do you really think na gagawin ko yun sa'yo?
Ewan ko.
Hell no!
Ewan ko.
Ano ba? Hindi naman ako tulad ni Tamarga. And if I wanted to tell the police, matagal ko nang ginawa. Come on, eh. I want to protect you. Kaya please sabihin mo na sa akin totoo.
Protect me! This is your way of protecting me? By accusing me of killing Zach? Kung ganito lang, Liv, wag na. Umalis ka na. Get out!
So of course you guys know that I always love to dress up, to feel the part and to look confident, especially when it comes to recitations. And speaking of super fashionista, here I have my... Hey, are you okay?
Mukha ba akong okay yan?
Why, what happened?
Wala. Itong Liv. She went here tapos kung ano lang pinagbibintang sa akin.
Huh? Wait, but... Like what? Look, I know that you don't really trust me right now. But... This is Liv we're talking about. Okay, she's your sister. And she's a ride or die, diba? I mean, baka na-misinterpret mo lang yung sinabi niya.
Well, Yana, if you believe in her so much... Then why don't you go to her? Go live with her. Pagsama-sama nga kayo.
Mga bata pa lang kami, magkakampi na kami ni Amity. Kahit na magkaaway yung mga nanay namin. Wala kami pake. We didn't care. We were each other's best friends.
Ba't past tense? Mag-best friend pa rin naman kayo. May pinagdadaanan lang kayo ngayon.
Hindi ko na kasi magets. Ba't niya ako pag-iisipan ng ganun? How can she mistake my concern like that?
Di lang tungkol kay Tita Marga, no? Ano ba talagang pinag-awayan niyo?